It keeps wanting to go. It's gonna go, isn't it? It's gonna go. Here at Tasty, we make a lot of layered food. Crepe cakes, croquembouche, 100-layer lasagna. I've been challenged by my coworker to stack as many pancakes as I possibly can. There are only 2 rules. The first rule is it can only be pancakes stacked one on top of the other. And the second rule is I cannot use any support. I don't know why I agreed to do this. Okay, I'm thinking that the base should be like the widest pancake so we get like the sturdiestness. So it's gonna be a bunch of pancakes, and then it gets more narrow until we put just like a baby pancake at the top. And it's kind of a pyramid, maybe not exactly a pyramid. I think I just gotta get started and we'll see what happens. So I've made a lot of batter and I've got 2 burners that are gonna be going at the same time to maximize efficiency. Okay, so you might be like, Katie, that's a lot of pancakes. What are you gonna do with all that? Are you gonna throw it in the trash? No, I'm gonna give it to my fellow coworkers. I'm going for thinner pancakes because I think we'll have less of a bulge in the center of the pancake. We'll have it like a little bit more consistently flat, and that bulge over time I feel like will build up and create like unsteadiness. Oh no, 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 no. First pancake. First pancake. It's like, dare I add 1 more burner into the mix? Is that crazy? Okay, we got 3 burners, people. I'm gonna get started. I'm feeling good. So maybe I don't regret this. Maybe I'm gonna feel so good at the end of this, so accomplished. Okay, so I have made a lot of pancakes. I think the count is 84 right now. I'm gonna now transition to smaller pans as per my drawing. I can see the light. We're close, we're close. It's going very slowly. Okay, I just realized that I have 3 burners and I could just get another pan because we have like 500 of them. So we're on the very last one, the very last one. I think for this last one, I should try to flip it like the professionals, you know, like it's just an upward motion, you just get it going. Ah! No, don't look. I don't think this bodes well for the stacking part of this competition. I've made all the pancakes I can possibly make today. It took a really long time. I think there's about 103. Now all that there's left to do is stack. So I'm ready. I'm gonna get started. I feel like I'm a golfer trying to line up a putt right now. Ooh, okay, I'm feeling good about this. Some of these pancakes I've seen better days, like this guy. Better to have him in the pack than not at all. All right, hey, not bad, not bad. It's getting very jiggly. Can I get on a stool? I'm on a stool now, because that's where we are, which is exciting, but also terrifying. Oh my goodness. I see a weakness over here on the left. I haven't been like stressed for anything like this in my whole life. Not even finals in school. Every time I put one on, it just feels a little bit weaker. I realized what I didn't do, I was like, I'm gonna have a really strong base, but I made so many middle, like in between ones. I'm gonna stop with the middlemen then. I'm gonna go to my bit smaller guys who are a little bit more stable, I think. Is that a mistake? We're committed now, so we're going. It's leaning a lot to the left. Like, okay, I've got to bring it towards myself. Okay. Ah! It keeps wanting to go. It's gonna go, isn't it? It's gonna go. No! Can I touch it? Can I adjust? Let me just give him a little twisty. Ooh. Oh God. I didn't make enough big ones. I need to just go to a Zen place. Just shift a little bit. It's a lot of pancakes I'm touching. Sorry. Is it helping? No? Can you tell from the front? I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse with every turn. Okay. Woo-hoo! Woo. every pancake's a victory. Nope, 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 no. Stop it, Pancakes. This is horrifying. This is what nightmares are made of. Maybe I should just go for some tiny ones that are less weight, just for height. Yeah? Okay, that's solid. Little hat. I feel like we may be close to the end of what this stack can hold. I don't know if I could do anything to stop him from living his truth, which might be that this is the end of the road for us. The structure has been compromised. He's gonna give away. Right towards me, right? He's coming down, he's coming. What do I do? Do I just let him go? Or do I try to stack some more? Do we just part ways here?
Yes.
Yes, maybe. I don't know if it's gonna stand without me touching it. I don't think I can stack any more with this staying structurally sound, but I'm just gonna keep stacking and see how many more we can get on till it falls over. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, it's already 57! 58! No! All right, okay. Well, 58 was the max. I am sweating and this was stressful because that's a lot of pancakes. I got 58. I feel proud of that. I'd like to see Rie do better. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go share these with all my coworkers. We're all gonna have a big breakfast right now. Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. Bye. I want you to get it, but I also don't. It's a lot of mixed feelings.
No.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Still
Wait, that was crazy. All right, that was like a 30.
Well, just put the flame hold.